Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Guzelian, the owner of Xtina Co. I make non-toxic candles, low-tox candles, realistic and decorative candles. And I love sharing the behind the scenes of my candle business with you. In today's video, I am making the very first candle from my upcoming Amber collection. It's called So This Is Love. And I wanted to bring you along as I start working on it behind the scenes. And yep, I am excited to show you how it's coming together. Let's talk about the scent. The fragrance notes of this candle is citrus and berry. That's the top notes. The middle notes are magnolia and lily. For the base notes, it's vanilla, sandalwood, and musk. The middle notes are soft florals that bring a romantic touch, and the base notes are what linger, like warm, smooth, and comforting. It's fresh, sweet, and cozy all at once. The fragrance oil I use is candle safe, lotion safe, and soap safe. It's phthalate free and compliant with California Prop 65, which means it's free from harmful toxins and safe to enjoy in your home. So if you're looking for non-toxic candles, these are perfect for you. At Xtina Co, our goal is to be transparent. We want our customers to know exactly what's in their candles because it's all about trust. For these candles, we use pure soy wax. It's clean burning, natural, and made from renewable resources, which makes it a great eco-friendly choice. The fragrance oils we use are safer candles, soaps, and lotions. They're phthalate free, meaning they're made without harmful chemicals often found in synthetic fragrances. Our candles are designed to be beautiful, smell amazing, and most importantly, safe for your home and your family. While I'm showing you how I make my candles, let's go over some common candle myths and mistakes to avoid. If you're thinking about making your own candles or starting a candle business, let me save you some time and stress. These are 7 common candle myths I used to believe or kept hearing, and they're just not true. As someone who hand pours and tests every candle I sell, I've learned a lot the hard way, so here's what I want to share with you. Myth number 1, soy wax doesn't soothe. Actually, any wax can soothe if it's not made or burned correctly. I use pure soy wax and cotton wicks for a clean burn, but things like long wicks, drafts, or burning a candle too long can all cause soot. Candle care matters just as much as ingredients. Myth number 2, the more fragrance oil you add, the stronger the scent. This is a big one. Adding more oil doesn't always make the scent stronger. In fact, too much can ruin your candle. It can clog the wick, mess up the burn, and make it unsafe. I usually stick to 8 to 10% fragrance load, and that's more than enough for a great hot throw. Myth number 3, candles last forever. Candles don't spoil like food, but they do change over time. Natural wax and fragrance can fade, especially if left in sunlight or heat. I always tell my customers to store their candles in a cool, dark place and use them within 1 to 2 years for the best scent and performance. Myth number 4, a candle should reach a full melt pull on the first burn. This one is a little bit crazy because it really depends on the wax and jar size. Softer wax like soy may take a couple burns to reach the edges, and that's totally okay as long as it's As long as it burns evenly over time, you're good. Myth number 5, expensive ingredients make better candles. So this is not true because I've tested some affordable fragrance oils that perform better than luxury ones. Sometimes they're just paying for branding, so be careful. And also, I always test before I add anything to my collection because price doesn't always equal quality. Myth number 6, if a candle smells strong when cold, it will smell strong when burning. So we're talking about cold throw and hot throw. Cold throw and hot throw are not the same thing. A candle might smell great in a jar but barely fill a room when burning, or the other way around. That's why I test both before I ever sell a candle. And myth number 7, all essential oils are safe for candles. I wish this was true, but it's not. Some essential oils aren't safe to burn. They can be flammable or release harmful fumes. That's why I only use fragrance oils that are tested and approved for candles. Safety always comes first. So guys, candle making is more than just melting wax and adding scent. It's a real craft. Whether you're doing this for fun or growing your business, remember, testing is everything. Don't believe every tip you read online. Trust your results. Stay curious and keep learning as you grow. And if you ever have questions, drop them in the comments or message me. I'm always happy to share what I've learned. If you made it to this part of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is my number 1 So This Is Love candle, my very first candle in the upcoming Amber collection. I'm so excited to share it with you. This candle is perfect for spring and summer, but honestly, it works beautifully in fall and winter too. I love the mix of citrus and floral notes. It gives off such a soft, romantic vibe. If you're into love energy and cozy, feel-good scents, this one's definitely for you.
Are you just a player, baby? 'Cause I need to know if your love's exclusive, if your mouth and heart's agreeing. Need to know for sure, 'cause I can't take this anymore. Don't want you more. You're running out my door and leaving me behind. I gotta get some answers before I go under, baby. My thoughts are running wild, spreading like a fire. I can't help but press your number down. Call you every hour, but every call's denied. I love to hate you on the weekends. That's when you trigger ugly feelings. Wish you wouldn't give me reasons to bring out the worst in me. Ooh, I love to hate you from a distance. But when you're close to me, it switches. Only takes a couple kisses to bring back the best in me. Ooh, love you on the weekdays when you stick around. Love you when you pick up, when you take the time off. Love you on the weekdays when you stick around, but I